valuable information and supplies were shot down.
What's that black in between the suspects?
The only suspects for the Western Coalition.
You got a car or intel on you? How about you? Dude, are we green?
No major bloodshed has been spilled since the dissolve.
Oh! Is this?
Yeah.
Alright. I have a large group moving towards me. Is my fucking comms on?
The Union has completely dissolved.
Welcome back to Operation Flashpoint. We'll get back to the video. I just wanted to fill people in and explain a few things first. After meeting up with my squad from a late start, we made contact with the enemy. We killed a few small squads, gaining intel and a few player cards. We also managed to find some fuel canisters that looked like water jugs, and I managed to get an ammo box from an enemy trying to run it back to his fob. The blue fuel jugs are a supply objective for the sake of role-playing. These are valuable supplies needed in trying times. The same can be said about the ammo containers. Now the playing cards are just a fun bonus. Think of it like bragging rights and whatnot. We left off after I intercepted some intel and supplies from the enemy. Craig offered to run them back to the fob. I stayed behind in a Connex and spotted a squad making its way towards me.
Oh shit, get the fuck out of me. I didn't know there was a door there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you got all of us, oh shit.
I think I accidentally at the very end switched to full auto.
What did we learn? No, don't bunch up. The card, please.
Yeah.
I'm not really sure what I was thinking there, but hey, it was fun.
Oh.
Shortly after respawning and meeting up with one of my squad members, Kaiser, we hear about a group of paratroopers being dropped in by our fob.
Oh, he's asking for a medic. I can see him.
Keith and I are pushing. Oh, they're starting to fall back. I just saw a guy run.
I saw for a split second.
See that? He went right to left.
Yeah.
We see the enemy retreating, and we decide to follow them.
What do you think? On our right. I got Taco.
Sorry if I overshot you there, Taco. You were just a bit out of my range.
Oh, he's up in the castle.
And then more can for you, I think.
Nice move up. I think that's Tang. go get this castle. Yeah. Oh shit, sorry! We didn't see him!
Oh, right there, right there. On me, on the other side.
Left side, watch left side. Is that green? Is that green?
Yeah, it's green, don't shoot.
I just shot a teammate. No, it's multicam. You got some loot?
You can have my 8, you can't have my Joker.
Alright.
Because you know me, I'm a Joker. Taco's dead.
Your paratroopers failed you guys.
Okay, so my batteries died right there, and I went to switch them out and decided to take a break and get something to eat. I'm really upset I wasn't there for this next part though, where I'm walking to now. I really had to put something in my stomach. I didn't eat much for breakfast, and it started to take a toll on me. I probably only took about 15-20 minutes to eat, but that's all it took for shit to go down. Kaiser kept saying in comms to meet up along the backside of shipment while I was scarfing down food. Basically, he got intel on a hermit camping out in the outskirts of town. Kaiser, along with 2 other squads, went to check it out. As the Allegiance squads approached Scott, they first asked to talk to him peacefully. After no immediate cooperation, the Allegiance shot 1 round near Scott. He immediately jumped into his tent and began firing a shotgun out of it. As the Allegiance squad surrounded him, they eventually took his gun, supplies, and all of his intel. Once they questioned Scott, he revealed information about who actually shot down the plane and warned the Allegiance that this faction he used to be a part of are not to be taken lightly. I went ahead and took Kaiser's report of what happened. I'll put it on screen, just hit pause if you want to read it all.
And then we lit up the tent, and he's like, "All right, I give up." That is hilarious. And then we got over there, and somebody handed me a notepad that said he knows who did it. You know who shot down the? Yeah, Jared Long. Yeah, it went over comms.
Jared's our suspect.
Yep. So we need to find Jared.
Yellow guy.
I don't know if he's armed or what though. Like I don't know if we need to kill him first, res him, and take his gun to secure him as a prisoner or what.
Yeah, we got 3 rides with the fob if we hold the right side.
Hold up here, guys. I'll let some hands there for sure.
They see us. He's in the Connex. One is in there. Oh, what the fuck is wrong with this mag? Right behind you. Oh! That was a trade. Medic! We don't have a medic with us. It's alright. I'm just gonna walk back.
Fortunately, our guys got the intel back to base. After spawning back at the fob, me and Dougie rushed the enemies that were initially approaching our location. You might think I'm overshooting right here, but there are a lot of branches and shit in the way, so maybe like a third of my BBs are making it through.
I don't know, I think there's some ran in. Building on the right, 2 guys. We got a medic for you guys.
call goes out to the Allegiance explaining that a truck filled with supplies is just up ahead.
On the concrete line in front of the bus. That guy's not hurt.
Oh shit, yeah. Oh fuck.
Yeah, they're all right.
Yeah, and they're all lined up on the that concrete ridge. It's right behind that building. Oh, there's all people hiding. Cattails on the other side of the truck too. Got him. Is he dead?
Is that everything?
That's it.
Green?
Green medic!
Hey, wait, Konex, go.
Oh, you got it. You need to grab anything else.
Woo!
Barely coming through the grass.
Yeah. What up, bitch? Good shit, man.
Shout out to Colin. This dude is all smiles and is great to be around. Even after I probably shot him like 20 times, he's still having a blast.
Isn't that where we just came from, though?
I get a call in comms from our commanding officer explaining that we need to get a computer into the tower at town. This is our last push and we need that communications cache up and running ASAP.
Okay, I'm gonna go shoot him. What? We're supposed to get towers. We're supposed to get a computer and the tower. I got the guy on the top of the tower. Yep. Sorry, I didn't see it. I got the guy at the bottom too.
I know who it is.
Got him. Hey guys, they need help bad on town. Hired help is going towards town. Yep. We got enemies in first tower of town. fine, but we got enemies in the tower. Oh, you're dead!
Ah, good idea. Let's get them cards, son. You got any intel? You got any field cards?
Medic!
These people again. Jesus, they're always getting murdered.
Hey, I'm glad we got tower and they barely made it over, dude. Just each one, man. Oh, I was trying to make it through here, dude.
As our team sets up the communications cache, we stand guard as the day comes to an end. Thank you guys for sticking around. I had so much fun editing this and cannot wait for another operation. Let me know what you guys thought down in the comments.
People should understand viruses don't want to kill their host. As long as the host is alive, that's the best thing a virus can ask for.
That's the best thing a virus can ask for.
This just in here at PKB 11 Newsroom, the Eastern Allegiance has opened a nationwide manhunt for Jared Long. He's believed to be the one who shot down an Eastern Allegiance aircraft carrying supplies to the Eastern faction. A battle broke out in Alton, Illinois yesterday between the Western Coalition and the Eastern Allegiance. Jared Long is believed to be a terrorist creating conflict between the two factions in recent years.